Eaton and Palisades fires are now the most destructive and second most destructive wildfires in Southern California history. As these extreme weather events become more frequent, many home insurance companies are hiking policy costs and in some cases dropping customers altogether. Jen Sullivan explains how climate change is affecting the home insurance industry across the country.
The deadly firestorm in Southern California has decimated communities. And for some, home insurance won't pick up the cost.
For years, the whole condo complex was covered by farmers insurance, and then they canceled.
Peggy Holter's condo was destroyed in the Pacific Palisades fire. She says she's only covered by California's FAIR Plan, which offers basic state coverage, but far less than a typical home insurance policy. Personal finance company Bankrate recently did a study and found 7 of the 12 largest insurance companies have either paused or placed heavy restrictions on new home policies in California in the last year.
California should have laws that say that companies cannot just drop you.
This isn't just an issue in California. Extreme weather is impacting home insurance policies and coverage across the country. Last year, there were 27 weather and climate disasters across the U.S., with losses exceeding $1 billion each, according to NOAA.
We're seeing just this increase in the number of severe weather events, but not just an increase in the number, it's the severity of these events.
As severe weather events become more frequent, many home insurance policies are raising their rates, and it's impacting almost every state. A separate Bankrate survey found the average home insurance cost rose in 35 of the 50 states between 2023 and 2024, some as high as 15%.
What's happening right now with all those homes being destroyed, we're going to need a lot of building materials, a lot of labor to put them back together. So that could potentially deplete resources for different pockets of the country.
There's not much homeowners can do to change these rising costs. Experts say it could be up to each state or even Congress to regulate the market by passing legislation to protect consumers.
That was Jen Sullivan reporting. And State Farm, in a separate story here, is skipping out on advertising in this year's Super Bowl. The announcement comes 1 year after the company was criticized for not renewing some insurance policies in California due to the wildfire risk. State Farm says it will use the time to focus on responding to the California wildfires. It is the largest property insurer in that fire-ravaged state.